Hey, what is up guys? This is Mototech Vlogs PH and this is the Raider Blade 150. Welcome back to my channel guys, and today i-review natin ang isang bike na hindi lang pogi pero loaded din sa technology at performance. And kung naghahanap ka ng sporty, reliable at daily usable na motorcycle, this might be the one. Under the hood, meron tayong 4-stroke single-cylinder dual overhead cam, liquid-cooled fuel-injected engine powered by Suzuki Eco Performance or SEP. Ibig sabihin nun is mas tipid na siya sa gas, smooth ang throttle response pero solid sa power pag kailangan mo. Dagdag pa dyan is mas solid ang power to weight ratio nito. Kaya kahit magaan siya, ramdam mo agad ang hatak. Perfect pang city ride at pang long ride. And dagdag pa dyan, isa sa panalo dito is yung bago niyang slipper clutch and assist system. So kapag mabilis ka tapos biglang nag-downshift ka, hindi naglalak yung rear wheel. Mas safe, mas smooth, lalo na sa aggressive riding. Bago na rin pala yung instrument panel niya, malinaw kahit tirik sa araw. Complete yung information, speed, RPM, fuel level, hanggang trip meter, high-tech feels mga boss. And kung pag-uusapan naman yung gas consumption niya, masasabi ko na napakatipid pa rin niya dahil umaabot pa rin siya ng 45 to 50 kilometers per liter, which is goods na goods na. DC power source na rin siya, so ready na sa accessories like USB chargers at gadgets. Sound check muna tayo.
Chip camel concept.
At least for Raider Blade 150, walang gaano nagbago, pero dun sa Raider Pro nila, hindi ko alam kung anong magiging comment or feedback mo. Raider 150 Blade na ba ang next motorcycle mo? Comment down in the comment section below. Let's go!